Here we are in Saskatchewan after a successful duck hunt, and we want to show you one of the proper ways to clean the ducks to get them back across the U.S. border. So we need to first remove the head.
Got a
That we'll do here.
drake pintail.
Nice drake pintail. Yeah, still getting his colors, but you can see nice blue on the bill there. This wing here is shot, so we will remove this wing, keep the other one on there as a better wing. And go ahead and remove the feet. This bird, we've had some questions about how you keep the thighs and legs, so we're gonna keep the breast and the thighs and the leg on this bird and just skin it. The USDA in their final decision decided that the skin needed to be removed, so we're following their rule that they established. We'll cut off the vent here. Then we can remove the entire skin. Except for this one wing. Oh, we're serenaded by the dog. All right, and we're left with a skinless bird with breast and legs, thighs attached. Okay, so here's the fully skinned bird with the legs and thighs attached and one wing. We're going to put that into the Ziploc, and that's now ready for transport.
With some labeling and...
Yeah, we'll put our name and address and our hunter license numbers on there, and we'll be good to go.